Good morning everyone. So in last class we have completed up to third bit. Now we are starting, I think we have completed the fourth bit. So now we are starting the fifth bit. So what is that? Factorize the following expression. Factorize the following expression. So first one is a square plus 10a plus 24. So if you see in the question, this first term is a square term but 24 is not a square term. So we have to apply a second method what I told you. Without using identities also I told you how to factorize the terms for the three terms. So first term is a square value but last term is not a square value. So we have to apply a tree method. That is, we have to multiply the first term and last term. That will be 24a square. 24 into a will be 24a square. Here it is plus and here also it will be plus. So plus into plus will be plus. So here plus, how you can write? Which two signs you will multiply to get it as plus? So we can multiply plus into plus will be plus, minus into minus will be plus. Now we have to think about the factors of 24. So what are the factors of 24? So you have to take the terms in the order as, if you multiply you should get 24, and if you add the terms, that should be equals to 10a. So in that way we have to take the multiples. So what are the multiples? What are the factors here? 24 factors are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 6, 4. So these are the factors of 24. Yes. So if you multiply you should get 24. So if you multiply any of the factor, that will be equals to 24 here. But what is the condition? If you add the two factors, that should be equals to this middle term. That should be 10a. So which factors I am taking? 6 4 times I am taking. 6 4 times is 24. A square can be written as a into a into a. And now what is the condition? If you add them, that should be equals to plus 10a. So if you add the first term and second term, what is the result we will see. So plus into plus will be plus, 6a plus 4a will be plus 10a. Here you will get minus into minus will be plus, 6a plus 4a will be 10a, but here the bigger number sign is minus. So where you got the plus 10a, here you got the plus 10a. So in place of this 10a, we have to substitute these two values. Okay, so what we have to substitute? We have to substitute in place of 10a, these two values you have to substitute. That is a square plus 6a plus 4a plus 24. So in place of this 10a, I have substituted 6a and 4a. Okay, so now we have to take the common terms from that. So in first two terms, what is the common value? A is a common value. So 1a is remaining and here 6 is remaining. Plus from these two we have to take out the common now. 4 will go in 4 table as well as 24 will go in 4 table. So I am taking 4 as common, and a plus 4 6 times will be 24. So what are the factors now? A plus 4 is one factor and a plus 6 will be other factors. So what are the factors of 10 a square plus 10a plus 24? That is a plus 4 and a plus 6. So this is our first bit. Second one, x square plus 9x plus 18. So again the first term is a square value but the last term is not a square value. So we will apply the same method. So first we have to multiply the first term and last term. So first what we have to do? We have to multiply the first term and last term. So these two we have to multiply. That will be 18x square. Here also it is plus, here also it is plus. So plus into plus will be plus. Again, so we have to check now Which two signs you will multiply to get it as plus? That will be plus into plus, minus into minus. Now 18 factors. If you multiply, you should get 18. If you do addition, that should be equals to 9x. So which terms we can take? 18 means you can take it as 6 3 times. 6x, 3x, 6x, 3x. Now do addition for this. 6 3s are 18, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so now it will be, this will be plus 9x and this will be minus 9x, because the bigger number sign is plus here and here it is bigger number sign is minus. So in place of this 9x, we can substitute these two terms. So we can write it as x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. Now in these two, what is the common value? Common value is x. Remaining terms we have to write in bracket, that is x plus 6 plus, in these two terms 3 is common, so I am taking 3 as common. X plus 3 6 times is 18. So what are the factors now? One factor is x plus 3 and other factor is x plus 6. So these are the two factors of the given question. Okay, so next, third question. P square minus 10p plus 21. So given. So if you see again the first term and last term, the first term is a square value but last term is not a square value. So p square minus 10p plus 21. So we have to factorize this. So for multiply the first term and last term, so it will be p square, 21 p square. Here also plus, here also plus, it should be plus here. So plus can be written as plus into plus and minus into minus. And 21, if you multiply, it should be 21. If you add, it should be minus 10p. If you add, that should be minus 10p. So it will be 7p, 3p, 7p, 3p. Do addition now. 7 3s are 21. 7 plus 3 will be 10. Okay, so now do addition. Here it will be plus 10p and here it will be minus 10p, because the bigger number sign is minus here and here the bigger number sign is plus. So we want this minus 10p. So in place of this minus 10p, we can substitute these two values. So p square minus 7p minus 3p plus 21. Now take out the common terms. So from this 2, p is common, p minus 7, and from this 2 minus 3 is common. So it will be p minus 7, 3 7 times is 21. So what are the factors now? The factors are p minus 3 is one factor and p minus 7 is other factor. So this is our third question. Next, fourth one, x square minus 4x minus 32. Given x square minus 4x minus 32. So they can multiply the first term and last term. That will be minus 32x square, because here it is plus, here it is minus. Plus into minus will be minus. So it is minus 32x square. Now minus can be written as, how minus can be written? It can be minus into plus and plus into minus. So if you multiply, it should be equals to 32, and if you subtract, the answer should be 4. So how you will get? We can get it as 8 3 times. 8 4 times is 32. Say 8x, 4x, 8x, 4x. Now we have to subtract the terms because the value is minus here. Okay. So it will be minus 4x and here it will be plus 4x. Because the bigger number sign is minus, so I kept minus. It is bigger number sign is plus, so I kept here plus. Okay, so now in place of minus 4x we can substitute these two values, that is x square minus 8x plus 4x minus 32. In these two terms, what we can take out as common? We can take it as x as common, x minus 8. From these two we can take 4 as common, so x minus 8. 8 4 times is 32. Now what are the factors? X plus 4 is one factor, x minus 8 is other factors. So these are the factors of the given question. So with this, our fifth bit is completed. Now we are starting the next exercise, that is exercise number 12.3. So now we have to do a division. So till now we have did multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now we are applying division for factorizing. Exercise 12.3. So in that, the first bit, what is the first bit? Carry out the following division. Carry out the following division. So in that first one, that is 48a cube by 6a. So it will be 48a cube by 6a. So division means I am writing in the form of division method. 48a cube by 6a. A will get cancelled, so only 2 a's will be remaining. That is, a square will be remaining. 6 ones are 6 eights are. So what is the answer? 8a square is our answer. Second one is 14 x cube by 42 x square. So division again. So divide the values. 14x cube by 42x square. So it will be how much? X square will be get cancelled. Only 1x will be remaining. 14 ones, 14 threes we can take. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 x. X by 3 is our answer. 1x by 3 is our answer. So next, third one. 72 a cube b power 4 c power 5 by 8a b square c cube. So given a cube b power 4 c power 5 by 8a b square c cube. So we have to divide the terms now. So 72 a cube b power 4 c power 5 divided by 8a b square c cube. So here c cube will get cancelled, only 2 will be remaining. b square will get cancelled, only 2 will be remaining. 1a will be cancelled, only 2 will be remaining. 8 ones, 8 nines. So what is the answer? 9a square b square c square is our answer. So this is our third question. Next, fourth one is 11xy square z cube by 55xyz. So we have to divide this again. So given 11xy square z cube by 55xyz. So do division now. 11xy square z cube by 55xyz. So z will get cancelled, only 2 will be remaining. Y will get cancelled, only 1 y will be remaining. X is cancelled. 11 ones, 11 fives. So what is the answer? 1yz by 5 is our answer. So this is our fourth bit. Next is fifth one. So last bit in this first one, first question. Minus 54 L power 4 m cube n square by 9 L square m square n square. So given minus 54 L power 4 m cube n square by 9 L square m square n square. Now we have to divide this. So n square will get cancelled. M square will get cancelled. Only one m will be remaining. L square will get cancelled. 2 l's will be remaining. 9 ones. 9 how many times will be equals to 54? That is 9 6 times will be 54. So answer is minus 6 L square m is the answer. So this is our fifth question. So with this our first bit is completed. So second bit now. Divide the given polynomials by the given polynomial. Divide the given polynomial by the given polynomial. Given monomial. Given polynomial you have to divide with monomial now. So in that the first one 3x square minus 2x divided by x. So this is a polynomial, this is a monomial. So more than one term we'll call it as polynomial, and only one term is there, so we can call it as monomial there. So we have to divide this now. Divided by x. So divide this 3x square by x we can write, and 2x by x we can write, because this x belongs to two terms, both the terms. So here x is cancelled, x is cancelled, the remaining value will be 3x minus 2. So what is the answer? Answer is 3x minus 2. Second one is 5a cube b minus 7ab cube divided by ab. So this is a polynomial, this is a monomial. So we have to divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. So we have to divide now. Given divided by AB. Now divide it. Divided by AB. Now separate them. 5a cube b by AB minus 7ab cube by AB. So b cancelled, a is cancelled, 2 a's are remaining. B is cancelled, 2 b's are remaining, a is cancelled. So what is the answer? 5a square minus 7b square is our answer. So this is our second bit. Third bit is 25 x power 5 minus 15 x power 4 divided by 5x cube. So given 25 x power 5 minus 15 x power 4 divided by 5x cube. Now we have to divide this. So it will be 25 x power 5 minus 15 x power 4 by 5x cube. Now split the terms. It will be 25 x power 5 by 5x cube minus 15 x power 4 by 5x cube. So x cube cancelled means it will be only 2 here. X square is remaining. 5 ones 5 5s. X cube cancelled means only 1 x will be remaining. 5 ones 5 3s. So answer is 5x square minus 3x. So this is our answer of the third question. Next, fourth one. Fourth is 4l power 5 minus 6l power 4 plus 8l cube divided by 2l power 2. So this one we have to solve. So given 4l power 5 minus 6l power 4 plus 8l cube divided by 2l square. Split the terms individually. So it will be 4l power 5 by 2l square minus 6l power 4 by 2l square plus 8l cube by 2l square. Now we can divide, cancel. L square get cancelled means 3 will be remaining, 2 ones 2 2s. L square is cancelled means 2 will be remaining, 2 ones 2 3s. L square is cancelled means only L will be remaining, 2 ones 2 4s. So what is the answer? Answer is 2l cube minus 3l square plus 4l. So this is our final answer. That is my 2l cube minus 3l square plus 4l. That is our final answer. So this is our fourth bit. Next one is fifth one. So fifth question is 15 a cube b square c square minus a square b cube c square minus a square b square c cube divided by 3abc. So we have to divide these terms. So given 15 a cube b square c square minus a square b cube c square minus a square b square c cube divided by 3abc. Okay, now we have to take in this all terms abc is common. So in all terms abc is common. So 15 in this term a cube a square means a square is common. Next b square b cube b square means b square is common. C square c cube means c square is common. The remaining terms I am writing in the bracket now. In this a is remaining, in this b is remaining, in this c is remaining, divided by 3abc. Now divide the terms. 15 a square b square c square a minus b minus c divided by 3abc. 3 ones 3 5s. A will get cancelled, B will get cancelled, C will get cancelled. So answer is 5abc into a minus b minus c. So this is our final answer. Okay. So this is our fifth solution. Next, sixth one is sixth one 3p cube minus 9p square cube minus 6qp square divided by minus 3p. So what are the common terms we have to take out first? Given 3p cube minus 9p square cube minus 6q p square divided by minus 3p. So take out the common terms. So 3 will go in 3 table, 9 will go in 3 table, as well as 6 will go in 3 table. So 3 is common, and also in all terms you are seeing the p value. P square you are seeing all the values. So p square is common. The remaining terms we have to write in bracket. Now here 1p is remaining here, 3q is remaining here, 2q is remaining, divided by minus 3p. Now we have to divide. So 3p square p minus 3q minus 2q by minus 3p. So p will get cancelled, 3 ones will get cancelled. So answer is minus p minus 3q minus 2q. So this is our final answer. Okay, so this is our 6th question. Sorry, this is p 6 p q square. So only one p we will take in. So this is our final answer. P square minus 3p minus 2q square is our final result. So last bit in this 7th one. So 7th one, that is 2 by 3 a square b square c square plus 4 by 3 a b square c square divided by 1 by 2 a b c. So what is the given value? Given is 2 by 3 a square b square c square plus 4 by 3 a b square c square divided by 1 by 2 abc. Now we will write in the form of division form. So if you see, we can take here 1 by 3 as common, 2 by 3, 4 by 3. That means 1 by 3 is common, and ABC terms are common. A, B, B, C, C. So A is common, B square is common, and C square is common. The remaining terms we have to write in the bracket. That is, what is remaining? 2A plus here it will be 4. So these are the common terms we have taken from this 1 by this. From these two terms I have taken 1 by 3 as common. A square A is common, B square B square B square is common, C square C square C square is common. So in this, what are the remaining terms? 2A is common, is remaining term, plus here 4, only 4 is remaining. So by 1 by 2 A B C. Okay, so how to divide this we will see. So first we will cancel. C will get cancelled, B will get cancelled, A will get cancelled. The remaining terms are 3BC into 2A plus 4 divided by 1 by 2. How to divide the terms we will see. So this is BC into 2A plus 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. Two rational numbers, how you will divide? Division will be converted to multiplication, and it will, second term will be reciprocal. So BC into 2A plus 4 by 3 into 2 by 1. So we have to multiply. That will be 2BC 2A plus 4 by 3. So this is our final answer. So what is the final answer? Final answer is final answer is 2BC into 2A plus 4. If you want, you can multiply this. 2 2s will be 4 ABC plus 2 4s is 8 by 3. So this is our textbook answer. You can stop till here also. So this is our 7th solution. So with this, our second bit is completed. Next third bit and fourth bit will continue next class. Thank you.